We've already learnt about how energy flows through the food chain, and now we're going to look a bit more in depth at that idea and talk about energy pyramids. So remember that photosynthesis is the main way that energy enters the food chain. So plants and algae take sunlight, or they take energy from sunlight, and they use that energy to build their bodies. They make food and build leaves and stems. And then, as the plants live their life, they do cellular respiration. So they use up that food energy, and the energy gets lost back to the environment. And remember, that energy is lost by heat. So, as plants lose energy from heat, that means there's less energy available in the food chain for the next level up. So the next level above plants are the primary consumers. And because a bit of heat was lost, that means there's less energy available for the herbivores. And then as the herbivores go on living their life and they reproduce and they eat, then some more energy is lost from the food chain back out into the environment. So again, there's less energy available for the secondary consumers now, who want to eat those herbivores. And just like before, as the secondary consumers live and use their food, they release heat that's lost to the environment, and so there's less energy available for the tertiary consumers, or the top predators. So this is one of the most important concepts of ecology, the fact that because energy is lost, energy is lost at each level of the food chain. Which means there's less energy available as you move higher in the food chain, which means there'll be fewer consumers as we go up each level. So, therefore, there must be fewer consumers at each level. And that's what an energy pyramid tries to show, because the pyramid shape is showing us that in every ecosystem, there's always more producers than any other organism. So there's a lot more plants in a land ecosystem, and there's a lot more algae in the ocean than there are consumers. And then there's more herbivores than there are secondary consumers, and then there's very few tertiary consumers in an ecosystem. And that's why they're often hard to spot. There might only be 1 or 2 eagles living in the whole forest, compared to all the thousands and thousands of plants.